Okay guys, last class we have learnt how to merge columns which is present in different rows as well as which is present in same rows. So what we have learnt? We have learnt row span and col span. Row span means what? Merging of two or more columns which is present in different rows. Col span means what? Merging of columns which is present in same rows, right? So now we will move to the next concept called links. How to create the links in the websites. So let me go to new tab here guys. So I'll type here, okay, so Virat Kohli. I'll type here what? Virat Kohli. Done. So now if you observe here, see guys, these things are links. How you can identify whether the content present in the web page is a link or not? How you will identify, right? So now let me go here, okay. So when I click here, observe here, see it is a link guys. Done. So it is also link. How you will identify? See, if you observe a mouse symbol, it is an arrow symbol now, yes or no? So when you go for any content, it is converted to hand symbol. If you go for normal any other content, see is it converting? It's not converting. If you go here, yes or no? When you go here, the blue color one, okay, it's converted, and by default links color will be blue color guys. Done. So similarly guys, see, I'll go to Virat Kohli's Wikipedia page. See, when I click on the link, okay, why we use links means it is going to another pages. Done. It is going to another pages. Done. So now observe here. So observe now here, okay, we have Virat Kohli, yes or no? Virat Kohli's page it is. So this is my title, Virat Kohli Wikipedia is my title. So now here also we have some content. November, is it a link? No. Why? Means our symbol is not changed here. So here if I go for Royal Challengers Bangalore, see the the cursor symbol changed to hand symbol, yes or no? So that means that is a link. Now observe the title here, Virat Kohli Wikipedia. So when I click here, see it is going to Royal Challengers Bangalore page, yes or no? So again similarly go back. I will go to Indian Premier League. Observe the title. The title is Virat Kohli. When I click on Wikipedia, Indian Premier League, it is going to another page. Yes or no? The title is changing means the page is changed here. Why? Means for we pass different titles to different pages, right? So the page is changed. That means they connected the pages here. Yes or no? Similarly, when I come back, I'll go down. See, this is early life is my link. Domestic career, youth and domestic career is my link. So now if I click on youth and domestic career, observe the title of this page. So I'll click on this link. Is the title changed? No, the title is not changed. Why? Means so the content is present in the same page. It is not going to another page. It's present in the same page. So next I'll click here Indian Premier League. So observe the title of this Virat Kohli. So again the title remains the same, yes or no? Why? Means the Indian Premier League, it is present in same page. See, it is present in same page. Here it is. So now we have seen two types of link here guys. One link which is connecting another pages, and another link which is connecting the content which is present in the same page. So we have two types of links. One which is connecting different pages, one which is connecting the content which is present in same page. Done. So we will see how to create links like this. So concentrate. We'll go to the execution part. So if I let me delete all this stuff which I have done in the last session. So concentrate here guys. So now if I want to create the links guys, there is a tag, The tag name is what? A. Done. So A means anchor. Okay, A means anchor. This is the tag which is used to create the links. Done. So you add whatever you want in between. So let me add my name Syed Imran. Okay. So whatever you add in between the anchor tags, that will be converted as a link, guys. Done. So now save this, go back to the browser, reload the page. See, now I am getting, okay, the Syed Imran, and it is converted as a link. Observe here now, the cursor symbol changed to the hand symbol, right? So now come here guys. So here we have some page sr, no, srh.html, we have rcb.html. Done. So what I do, I will create, okay, I will assign dot slash, okay, why dot slash? The srh.html is present in same page, okay, same folder. Done. So now save this. So what will happen, guys, when the user clicks on this link, okay, the control will go to this particular file. Then when the user clicks on this Syed Imran, okay, it will be redirected to this srh.html. Redirected means it will go to srh.html. So save this and go back to the browser, reload the page. See, when I click on this link, so it is going, okay, to srh.html page. Done. So observe here, just I have given one marquee tag here, welcome to, okay, Sunrisers Hyderabad. Then guys, similarly I will show you, sir, I will create something here, okay, A. So here I will pass something called, okay, RCB, okay, I will pass something called RCB, or else I will pass Karnataka, I will pass Karnataka. So now here guys, dot slash, I will assign dot slash rcb.html. Done. So now what will happen when the user clicks on this Karnataka link? So whatever you have assigned to this href attribute, the page will be redirected to that particular HTML file. What href means? What? Hyperlink reference. Boss, please refer this page, okay, please refer rcb.html when the user clicks on Karnataka, right? So observe here, save this, go back. See, when I click on Karnataka, so it is going to which page? rcb.html. Okay, I hope everyone understood. So these are the pages which we are, okay, we connected. These are the two pages, srh.html, rcb.html, we created it. Yes sir, no? So now, sir, we want to assign other URLs. Okay, how to assign? Observe here, I'll pass HR. Done. So here I'll pass JSpy. Okay, here I'll pass something called anchor tag. Okay, in anchor tag I will pass here Indian Premier League, IPL, I will pass. Done. So now my requirement is what, guys? When I click on this IPL, it should go to IPL page. So what I do, I'll go here, concentrate, I'll open okay, IPL here. So this is external page. See, this is Indian Premier League, right? So go to the URL, copy this, okay, copy this, and I'll, okay, paste to this href. So now when the user clicks on this IPL, the control will go to this particular URL. So if you want, observe here, so this is my page, yes or no, this is my page. So when I click on this, observe, when I click on this, the control is going to, okay, this URL. Similarly, the URLs, whatever you want, you can pass this, okay. So if you want, observe here, I'll pass here A. So here I'll pass https://www.naukri.com. So here I'll pass, okay, get jobs. Okay, get jobs. See guys, I am passing some URL here, https colon slash slash www.naukri.com. So when the user clicks on this get jobs, it will go to this website. So you can assign websites, URLs, you can assign your own HTML pages. So reload, see, observe here, when I click on get jobs, see that it is redirecting to naukri.com. See, it's redirecting to naukri.com's page guys. Okay, so now observe, see, naukri.com. So we have learned how to assign the URLs, how to assign our pages, how to assign the website names. Then, so now we will see guys, observe here, how to make the images as a link. Then, so I'll provide chart tag. Then, so observe here, img. So dot slash the woman's image I'll assign. So we got the image. Yes, we got the image here, right? Yes. So now what I do here, the image, see, is this a link? No. Is this a link? No. Why? Means the cursor symbol is in still arrow symbol, it's not changing to hand symbol. So what I do, I will create something called anchor tag. Okay, so in between I will pass this image and I will paste it here. Then as I explained, whatever we add in between anchor tag, that will be converted as a link. So now we are adding image in between the anchor tags, that means the image will be converted as a link. So save this and go back to the page. See, when you hover on this, see, the arrow symbol is changed to hand symbol. Then now when I click on this, I want to redirect to some other page, I'll pass rcb.html. So when you click on this image, the control goes to rcb.html page. Then, sir, I want to open the image, sir, the same image I want to open when I click on this image. So what I should do, so here I'll comment this, I'll comment this. So here I'll pass the image tag img dot slash woman dot jpg webp. So to the href, see, when you click on this image, you should open the same image. So for the href also I will assign the same image guys. Href also I'm assigning the same image here, right? So woman, some image I'm passing, save this. So this image will be converted as a link. When you click, it will go to this image. This image means I'm passing the same image here. So observe here now, when I go back, reload the page, see, click on this, see, it's opening the same image. Yes, so click on this, it's opening the same image. Then so guys, so now when we assign here any image as a link, so there is something called download attribute guys. There is something called download attribute, right? So now if you don't pass this download attribute, what is happening here? If you don't pass any download attribute, so when you go to the browser, reload the page, so when you click on this, see, the image is opening, yes or no? So now my requirement, guys, when I click on this image, the image should be downloaded. So now I will go to this source code. I will pass download attribute. Okay, download attribute. Now you open this in live server, guys. Okay, so right click, open with live server. So how to install this live server? Go to extensions. Okay, type here live server. Okay, live server you type. So you are getting something called live server. So you will be getting one install option here. So I already installed, so it's not showing me. So you install this. So once you install, okay, so you go right click, open with live server. Why I am telling means, guys, see here I executed, right? Even after passing download attribute, it is opening in the, okay, same it's opening the image actually, right? Why means we copy pasted the path and we executed this file. So what will happen, guys, in real time, the image, okay, and the files should be in the same server. So practically if I explain here, so it will not work if we copy paste the path like this. Okay, it will not work if we copy paste the path. Why means, if you want to see the effect of this download attribute, you should run the application in real server. Okay, so we have some small server, live server here. Okay, so after installation, go to live server, click on open with live server. So it's opened here. Yes or no? So since it is having download attribute now, so when you click on this, okay, so the image will be downloaded. See, it's downloaded. It's downloaded with the same name. What is the, okay, image name here? Woman something is there. It's downloaded with the same name. Sir, I don't want to download the image with the same name. I want my user to download the image with some name. So I'll pass Syed. So what will happen? The image will be downloaded, okay, with the name Syed now. See, Syed.webp. Understood, guys? So whatever you are assigning to this, that will be downloaded if you pass download attribute. If you don't pass any name to the download attribute, it will be downloaded with the default name. If you pass some name, it will be downloaded with that particular name. So please go through this once, guys. I have explained all the stuff here. Then, so till now we have learned, guys, how to connect the different pages, different URLs, okay, the images, and how to download the images, right? So now we will see, okay, how to connect the links, okay, how to connect the content which is present in the same page like this, guys. Okay, how to connect the content which is present in the same page. For example, see, history, okay, this is Indian Premier League page. History is there. When you click, it is going to history, right? See, it's present in the same page. Now how to connect the content which is present in the same page? So what I do, I'll go to source code. I'll create some anchor tag. So I'll create a anchor tag. I'll make this as HTML. So next I'll pass 2 breaks here because I want 2 lines of break. Okay, so I'll copy this. I'll pass this for 4 times and I'll make this as CSS. Then I'll pass JavaScript. Then I'll pass here Angular. Okay, so now Angular. So now here what I do here, I'll pass one HR tag, so just to provide one link. So now if you observe here a page, so reload this. Okay, see guys, we created some 4 links, right? HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Angular. So my requirement is what? I will add some content in this page. I'll add some content in this page. Okay, when I click on CSS, it should go to CSS content. When I click on JavaScript, it should go to JavaScript content. Similar to this one, how it is going, see, foundation, it is going to the foundation content here. Yes or no? So similarly I want to move it. So observe here. So now let me add some content. Okay, so I'll add h1 tag here. So h1 means what, guys? It is an heading. So in HTML we have 6 type of headings: h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. where H1 and H2, okay, are the bigger one. Here maximum bigger one is what? H1, okay, smaller one is what? H6. Done. So why we use headings means by default it is bold and the sizes are different here, okay. By default it is bold, so I'll go for H1, okay. So here I'll pass HTML, okay. Next I want to add textual content, okay. So I'll go with paragraph tag. So and I'll add some content, textual content here. So some content I'll copy paste this, okay. So let me copy this content, textual content, copy this. So I'll paste in between the paragraph. So save this and reload the page. See, we got some content here. Just consider this content belongs to what? HTML here, right? So now similarly I'll add some content for CSS also. So the same thing I'll copy, guys. The same thing I'll copy. Again you should copy. See, I'll copy the same thing and I'll provide one HR tag here. Done. So then I'll pass H1 here again. So I already passed H1, right? So just let me paste this. So this one I'll change it to what? CSS, okay. Similarly here I'll come, here I'll pass one HR tag here. After this I'll paste, okay, 2 and I'll make this as JavaScript. Then I'll go here at the end. So I'll create one HR tag here. So next I'll paste again. I'll make this H1 as Angular. So just I've added some content, guys. See, reload the page now. So we added some content. See, HTML content. So one line I added with the help of HR, right? CSS content. Then JavaScript content. Next Angular content. See, like this we added. Done. So now my requirement is, guys, when I click on HTML, okay, when I click on HTML, it should be redirected to HTML content. When I click on CSS, it should be redirected to CSS content. When I click on JavaScript, it should be redirected to JavaScript content. When I click on Angular, it should be redirected to Angular content. So what I do, guys, now here, concentrate, okay. So now I'll go to my source code here. So guys, here we have to, okay, provide IDs. Then so I will pass something called ID attribute, okay. So why we use this ID? For example, consider in colleges. So okay, guys, so I'll use here ID attribute. So what do you mean by ID here? So consider when we were learning in colleges, okay, when we were studying in colleges, when you go to colleges, else now you are going to become an employee, so they will be providing one IDs, okay. So with the help of that IDs, they are going to identify you. For example, in colleges it is USN. With the help of USN, they are going to identify you, right? Similarly, when we go to companies, when we work in companies, they will provide us one employee ID, by using which they can identify our, okay. So why this ID means, guys? So the name can be anything, the student name can be anything, so it can be repeated also. The same name can be there for multiple students, yes or no? The same name can be there for the multiple students, the same name can be there for multiple employees. So how to identify uniquely, okay, with the help of USN for the students and with the help of employees